We're going bow fishing. Happy Easter Monday, everybody. Well, I'm telling you, today is a real special treat. I've been waiting 8 years of living in Saskatchewan to go bow fishing, and my buddy Cody is taking me out today, and for the first time ever, I am going bow fishing. I can't tell you how excited I am. I've never done this before. We're going after carp, and yeah, I'm excited. So let's get at her. Get me some outdoor medicine bow fishing style. All right, here we go. Somehow I did not get this wet coming in here the first time. I do. Ooh.
Do a lot less beef on a lot of bun.
Where's the beef? Hey, where's the beef? I don't think there's anybody back there.
You want something better.
I missed the money shot. As the young lady says, where's the beef? And I missed it. I'm sorry, folks. Next time, I will get the money shot. Had a beautiful day bow fishing today with my buddy Cody. Take a look, we caught 3 beautiful fish. They were average anywhere from 14 to 7 pounds, and they're beautiful. Just beautiful. Great day. Give it a try. I bet you'll love it.